The time from receiving my diagnosis to surgery was very uneasy and uncertain. My girlfriend P and I were worried and said that our life would change after surgery. Worried that I wouldn't be able to communicate or fall asleep together peacefully. I managed to find some films online about helpful products. One in particular was about communicating hands-free. At that moment, I felt that I could still live my life after surgery. It became a lifeline. Using Provox Life HMEs and adhesives has been a very positive experience. In the space of 2 days, I halved the number of times I cough per day. When I am at home, I breathe comfortably. I talk with Pia without having to press my HME. I do the things I normally would while wearing the HME that suits the situation. I continue to fix and tune pianos for a living and play them sometimes too. Every night I change my HME and adhesives, and usually I do not have to cough while I'm asleep. I no longer experience skin discomfort or irritation. Looking back on my concerns before surgery, I feel as though I can function somewhat as before. What can I say? Life is good.